Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trio Techies. So friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how can you create a Facebook event. Before going further, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon for further updates and videos. So friends, in order to create Facebook event, what you need to do is you need to click on three bars on the top right corner. Once you click on the three bars, then scroll down a little bit and here you will find the option for events. Click on events. As soon as you click on events, you will be able to see what all events are already there which are going on. Okay, so this is how the events look like. Let's say if I check any of these events, let's say if I am going to check all right, I'm going to check this event which says 16th Auto Expo Components Show 2023. If you click on this event, you will be able to see the details of the event, and there are certain options which says interested. So if you're interested, you can click on this particular blue interested button. All the information about the event you will be able to see here. Okay, and now if you want to create your own event, what you need to do is towards the top right corner, if you see there's a plus icon, click on this plus icon. Now you can create two types of events. One is online event, which can happen on video chat with Messenger Rooms, broadcast with Facebook Live, or add an external link. So external link could be anything like, let's say, for example, a Zoom app. If you're going to host your event on a Zoom app or a Google Meet. Okay. And second one is in person. In person is that people are going to a specific location for that particular event. All right. So let me click on the online one. I'm just going to show you an example. So once you click on that, this page will open up. On this page, you can see where actually are you creating this event. Are you creating this event by your personal profile, or you are creating this event from your Facebook business page? This particular event, I have selected my personal profile, and that is why my personal profile, it says your profile, it is showing up here. Now what I can do is I can click here and put the event name. So event name can be 100 characters long. Okay, I'm just taking an example, so that's why I'm mentioning it as example event. All right, now when is this happening? You can click here and you can change the date and time. So let's say I'm selecting 11th of January 2023. Time I am going to select as 4 p.m. or let's say 4:30 p.m. It is happening. I'll click OK. Then I can click on save. So you see your date, start date and time will appear here. Now, if there is an end time to your event as well, you can click here and you can put in an end time. You can select the date and time for the end time. All right. Now, the third option is privacy. When you're creating this event from your personal profile, then you get four options. The first option is a private event. That means only people who are invited can see and can join this event. Okay. The second one is public, that anyone on or off Facebook can see your event and can join. Now, the third option is friends. Only your friends can see your event and they can only join. And the last option is groups you are in. So if you click on here on this groups last option, it will show you all the groups you are in and you can select which group members you want to invite for that particular event. Okay, now I'll show you one more thing. Let's say if you click on private, here you see one more option shows up which says guests can invite friends, which means if this particular option is on, then the guest who you have invited for this event, they can invite further. If you do not want that, then you can toggle this off. So from here you can either toggle it on or toggle it off. After that, you can click on done and there are 3 more steps to follow. However, before going any further, I am going to show you how you can create this particular event or any event for that instance from your Facebook business page. So let's say if you personally are not going to host any event, but you are hosting this event on behalf of your business, then you should create that particular event from your Facebook business page. So I'm going to cancel it exit. Okay, now in order to create event from the Facebook business page, what I need to do is first I'll have to switch from my personal account to the business account. For that, you have to click on three bars towards the top right corner. Once you click on that, on the top, you will see the option. It says your profile here, and then you have a drop down towards the right side. Once you click on the drop down, you would be able to see your Facebook business page as well. Click on the Facebook business page, it will switch the profile. So now I am into my Facebook business profile, and I'm going to create the event from my Facebook business page. In order to do that, again, same thing, you have to click on three bars towards the top right. Then you will get an option for events. Click on events. Once you click on events, you have to click on the plus sign towards the top right, and then you will get the same option, either online or in person. So I've shown you the online method last time. Now I'm going to click on in person this time. So first page is same, wherein you have to put in an event name. I am taking the name as example event. Okay, now I can select date from here. I can create an end time as well for the event. I can choose to edit them as well by clicking on the drop down, but I'm not changing it because I'm just giving you an example. Now here, let me show you. Once you create an event from your Facebook business page, at that point you get only one option under privacy and you cannot edit it, which means your event from Facebook business page is always going to be public. Okay, which means anyone on or off Facebook can see and be interested in your event. Now once you're done here, then you have to click on next. It will ask you for a place where you are hosting this event. Okay, so I'm mentioning a place. I'm not mentioning the complete address here, but here you should mention the complete address because this event is going to be in-person event. So people should know where they have to reach. Now click on next. Once you click on next, it will give you an option to enter description. Your description can be as long as you want, but when you're creating this description, please make sure the most important thing about the description you should mention in the first two lines, because your audience is not going to read the entire description if your first two lines are not interesting. Then you have to select a category, what kind of event it is. You don't have to be very precise. You can just choose something which is nearby. So I'm selecting music and audio. Okay. In the description, I'm again taking example. I'm not going to write too much because this video will become very long. Now, once you're done with this, you have to click on next again. After clicking on next, you will see a summary of what you have created. So if you look on this page, the first thing is the photo. It has automatically taken your Facebook business cover photo. However, if you want to change it, you just have to click on this photo and you can choose a photo from the gallery. If you want to change any information after looking at this summary, you can click on these arrows and you can change it. Okay. Now, the last two options you see here, admission and event settings. These are something which I am going to tell you about. If your event has a ticket, what you can do is you can click here and you can add the URL to your ticketing website so that people can directly click on the link here and book the ticket for the event. All right. Last option is settings. Once you click on event settings, here the most interesting thing is you can create a co-host for your event. So you can select anybody who you want to be the co-host, and that person will be the co-host for your event. Okay, now it says only host can post in events. Now you can either toggle it on or off, which means only the host can post anything about the event in the discussion section. And if you want people to discuss about your event in the discussion page of your event, then you have another option. Post must be approved by a host. So you can either toggle it on or off depending what your need is. Now once you are done, you have to click back and then you have to click on create event, and in few seconds your event will be created. Once your event is created, you can share your event either to Facebook story, Instagram story. You can add to your Facebook feed. You can copy the link and share it personally to somebody if you want to, or you can share it on WhatsApp Business, Messenger, and once you click on more, you will get multiple options how you can share your event if you want to. If you do not want to share the event from here, you can just cross it out and your event has been created. So friends, I hope I was able to add some value to your events knowledge. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and do let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful for you and if you were able to create your own event without any problem. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.